evening. My name is Anuragini. I represent Gully Gully Sim Sim. It's a television program for young children 0 to 8 years. The project I'm talking about addresses two major concerns. Children in India are not learning as per grade level, and that it's far from satisfactory. The teachers are also not able to teach in an engaging manner. What do we do? I will skip it, but anybody who wants to know more about Gully Gully Sim Sim, please catch it on Doordarshan on Saturdays at 9:30 with a repeat at 11 on Mondays. So what did we do? We realized that children are not learning Hindi, math as basic subjects. This is grade 1 and 2. We said, okay, should we look at the grade learning outcomes, map it with the National Curriculum Framework, see what are the key outcomes that the child needs to learn, take it on a digital platform and test it with children in schools in Delhi and Bihar. So that was a simple solution. Gully Gully Sim Sim is known for its Muppets and its characters. Children recognize it, children know of it. So we took the characters and we created games around it. We tried it in 3 places actually. We did this in community in Delhi. This is a small cluster that we did in Panchsheel in Delhi. And in schools here. So the one in Delhi slums that we did, we provided the children with handsets. These were carbon handsets, preloaded with our games. These were given to children who are 6 to 8 years, class 1, 2 and 3. And we just wanted to see what happens when you give a handset, a smartphone with games, do children learn? On the other side, we gave tablets to schools in Delhi and in Bihar, again to see what happens if you provide learning on digital media. Both the cases, only the tool was different, but the content was the same. 10 games, 5 Hindi, 5 math. So these are just statistics. 2 places, Delhi and Bihar, we developed 10 games. We tracked the game usage through the Google application tracker. We trained teachers, we trained facilitators to use the games. We also put these games on Google App Store, and we had 1,270 downloads. We did not publicize it, we did not do anything. This was just download that we found. And till end of June, we had 2,414 children access these games. So how do we track it? Again, like I said, we have the application tracker in place. So very quickly, what did we find? Sesame Workshop always conducts impact assessment studies in all its projects. We found that the project is leading to very positive social interaction and group dynamics. We found that the children are learning turn taking. This is a very key growth area for young children. They are understanding navigation on a mobile handset. They know how to turn on and off mobiles. Please understand that we are talking about children who don't have access to these tools. We're not talking about urban children. We're talking about children who come from marginalized communities. What did the teachers say? They said that the retention and attention of children in the classrooms is improving because of the digital games. They are more engaged. Therefore, they feel that they're learning better. What did our impact show? In the community, we saw that there is gains in Hindi learning, Hindi comprehension, Hindi word knowledge. If we link it back to where we started, children don't know Hindi. If the games are improving it, we are achieving our objective. In the schools, the very interesting thing that we found is that when you give equal access to both boys and girls, the girls are learning better. So the digital tool is becoming a gender gap mender. You give it to the children, both will learn, but the girls will learn better. What were the challenges? In the community, the smartphones were a novelty. The parents took it away, especially the men, and it was given to boys more than the girls. 2G and 3D connectivity is poor. This was something that was discussed during the panel discussion as well. The teachers are still not able to understand how do you use digital content in a classroom setting. So maybe it's a policy level decision, maybe it's a discussion that we need to advocate for, but this is the way that we need to go. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, Anuragini.